Hello guys, welcome back to Roy's Kitchen. What are we gonna cook today?
We are going to make baked salmon. So as you can see, we have lovely piece of salmon. We have the skin on, so please do not take the skin off. The skin, that's what hold it so that the salmon doesn't break up. All right, it's already washed and dried. So I put a little oil in the bottom of the dish so the skin doesn't stick. So what we have here, we have some seasoning. See that? We have some butter melted, and we have lemon, and we have garlic, of course. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut our lemon in 4/4. So we're just gonna get some lemon juice in here. Just gonna use 2 pieces. And now we have 4 cloves of garlic right into our melted butter. You can see that? We're not going to use any salt. This is already salty. Not too much. Okay. I'll just use my hand to rub that in.
The salmon look very healthy.
Oh yeah, they're very healthy.
These are wild salmon?
These are wild salmon.
Okay.
So now we're going to add some black pepper. Oh, that looks so good, huh? So now we're going to add our butter and our garlic. So the butter, that's what keeps the fish moist. You can see we put a few pieces of lemon in our fish. So this will take away the rawness and give it a nice juicy lemon flavor. So we're going to place our fish in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. So now we're going to make some vegetables. So we have some zucchini, which we cut in small cubes. And this is for the healthy eater out there.
Everybody tried to get in shape for the summer, right?
Oh yes. So this is the perfect meal for them. Here we have some yellow corn, some carrots already cooked, some thyme, and we have red onion, and as you can see we have a different color bell pepper. We'll use all of these in our vegetables.
What are you gonna do now?
So we know we're gonna get our stove on medium heat. Get the pot hot. Get a little bit of oil, olive oil, as usual. That's enough.
You have the corn first?
Yes, we add the corn first. I want this corn to get a little brown so we get the sweetness from the corn. So that when we add the other vegetables, yes, everything just combined.
But you also have some potato cooking over there.
Yes.
So you're gonna have the potato too?
No, we're gonna have a little mashed potato with our fish.
Well, I've never seen it done this way before.
Oh, there must be a first, look. Look at that, our fish is ready.
Wow.
So we're just gonna leave our fish right here to rest. So now that our corn is ready, we are going to add, you can see that, you see how brown it is?
Yeah.
Yes, that sweetness comes up. We're gonna add our red onion. This is zucchini. We're just gonna add everything and then we cover for about 5 minutes.
That is looking so good.
Beautiful. And then we add our dry thyme. This is healthy eating. Very healthy. So this is okay. You could add a little butter if you want, which I'm going to do just now. Maybe about a tablespoon. Now that our vegetable is ready. You see that? Oh yes.
Looking great.
Got the sweetness from the corn. This is our mashed potato. That's our parsley. Oh, we're gonna sprinkle some parsley on our fish. See? This is how you make baked fish in the oven. So what do you think about this fish?
This is looking excellent. Juicy. Delicious. I can't wait to take a bite.
So can we dig in? Oh,
Wow.
flaky. It's juicy. This is not dried out. You see that? delicious. Here you have it. And this is how you make juicy, delicious baked salmon in the oven with vegetables and mashed potato.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Until our next video, enjoy!